Is your TV acting up again and you are confused whether to repair it or buy a new one? In this video, I will explain the exact cost comparison and help you decide what is better in 2025. Welcome to Tech Vibes, where I explain TV repair versus replacement in a practical step-by-step way. All points shared here are based on real-world experience, technician forums, YouTube experts, and official sources. First, let's talk about TV repair costs. Common problems include power board failure, mainboard faults, and screen panel damage. For LED or LCD TVs under 55 inches, power board replacement usually costs $30 to $60 US. Mainboard replacement can cost between $80 to $150 US. Screen panel repair is the most expensive and can reach $400 to $600 US depending on brand. OLED screen panels cost even more than LED panels. Repair time also varies based on the issue. Simple board replacement usually takes 30 to 60 minutes. Screen panel replacement may take 2 to 3 hours. In 2025, technician labor charges average between $20 to $50 US per hour. Now let's look at replacement costs. A new 50-inch LED TV in 2025 costs around $350 to $450 US. OLED TVs start at about $700 US and can exceed $1,500 US for premium models. New TVs offer modern features like 4K resolution, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, Wi-Fi, and built-in apps. Buying a new TV also helps avoid repeated repair costs. Repair is usually worth it if your TV is under 3 years old. If repair cost is less than 50% of a new TV, repairing makes sense. If your TV is over 5 years old or has multiple problems, replacement is the better option. A new TV gives you better features, warranty, and long-term reliability. In 2025, always compare repair cost, TV age, and feature upgrades before deciding. Minor board issues can be repaired safely. Panel damage or old TV should be replaced. Stay tuned with Tech Vibes for more practical TV repair tips and money-saving advice.